Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 19 of DAX functions. Today we are going to see an exciting functions of DAX which we are discussing in the trigonometric and mathematical functions. Previously, we have discussed about what are the top 8 DAX functions in Power BI and in which we have covered date and time functions, different type of date and time functions and informative functions and its types and different type of logical functions and how to use it. And currently we are dealing with mathematical and trigonometric DAX functions, in which we have already dealt the previous video we have uploaded with ABS function, ACOS function, and today we are going to deal with the degrees function. Before entering into video, if you have missed to watch these videos, we have provided the link for this particular videos in the playlist in the description box. Please do watch it. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are all interested in learning Power BI DAX functions. Let's start with the today's video. So today we are going to use the function called degrees, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new measure. I'm just going to name it as degrees underscore and which is equal to degrees. You can see if I click the tab, it says convert radians into degrees, which means wherever the radians which you are getting, it will convert into degrees. So what I'm going to give is I am going to give the pi value and then hitting the enter button. So I'm entering a visual card here and I'm taking the degrees and putting it over here. You can see 180 degrees is the value which we have got. This is how the degrees function works in Power BI DAX. If you have any questions in this video or previous set of video, please post your comments in the comments box so that we can able to address your queries. And also, we are requesting you to suggest your feedback so that we can improvise our video day to day. We will meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.